Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to download and install Tor Browser latest version on Linux Mint 22.3. Okay, first open the default web browser that comes with Linux Mint 22.3, that is Firefox. Now go to Tor official website, it is torproject.org. Click on download Tor Browser or click on this download Tor Browser, both are same. Then click on download for Linux. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 132 megabytes. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the Tor browser zip file. We have to unzip it. tor-xf tor. Press the tab to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Extraction completed. ls. Now go to this Tor browser folder. ls. Now execute this tor browser.desktop file. Don't give sudo or run with root account. Just give start ./start hyphen. Press the tab. Hit enter. See, you got the Tor browser. Now connect to Tor, and if you want to connect automatically, you have to turn on this one. It is up to you. Then click on connect. See, it is establishing connection. Now verify the version. Help about Tor browser. See, we have installed 15.0.4. Okay. See, we have successfully connected to Tor browser. And default search engine for Tor browser is DuckDuckGo. If you want any nice, you have to turn on this one. It is up to you. Okay. So in this video, we have seen how to install Tor browser latest version on Linux Mint 22.3. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.